2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.